Hello students, welcome to Reno's Englishpedia. Today we are going to do the topic notice writing. But before I start this topic, I would like to advise you to watch my previous video on Let's Write. It will offer you many ways to write a better notice. Before we start with the writing process, we need to know what is a notice. A notice is a formal means of communication. The purpose of a notice is to announce or display information to a specific group of people. It is generally pinned up on display boards either in schools or in public places. Since notice is a part of a formal write-up, it has a particular format. The notice must be written in a box. On the first line, using a middle indentation, we should write the name of the organization or the institution or the school who is issuing the notice, followed by a comma and the name of the city. On the next line, at the left hand corner, you should write the date and the word notice should be written on the same line in the center. The word notice can also be written on the third line. After that, you should leave a line and write whatever the subject or the heading of the notice is. Many times you also have the question that do we need to leave lines? Kindly understand that leaving lines makes your work more presentable. If you have untidy, scrawly handwriting, then the best option is to leave a line after the name of the institution and even after writing the word notice. After writing the topic, you have to write the content and then leave a line and put the writer's signature in running hand on the left hand side. Below this, in block letters, you should write the name of the writer and his designation. This is how the notice should appear after you have finished writing it. Kindly remember that the signature has to be in running hand and below that the name has to be in block letters. The designation should be written in brackets below the name. When writing a notice, please remember not to use I and you. It is a formal piece and we should always use the third person. Again, we should use formal language and try and use short sentences which are grammatically accurate. The word limit of a notice is 50 words. Because it is a very short write-up, it must be brief and to the point. However, we have to include all other relevant details which are given in the question. The content of the notice includes the 5 W's. The first W is who can apply or is eligible for it. Second is what is going to happen. Third W is where will it take place. Fourth W is when will it take place, that is the date and the time. And finally, the fifth W is whom to contact or apply to. As we in India are not the native speakers of English, there is a great lack in our grammatical expression. It is thus better to master one way of writing a notice before we become very fluent in the language. Therefore, the format which I recommend is in the following manner. It is to inform dash. In the dash we write who is to be informed. That dash, that is who is organizing the event, has organized what. What over here means which event has been organized, followed by the date, on which date, at which place. It can be at or in. For example, at the school ground or in the activity room. From dash to dash time, you have to fill in the blanks when the event will start and when the event will end. This is followed by all other relevant information or the required details. After that, the last line should be the interested participants should submit their names to dash, that is a specific person, by dash date. What is the last date for submission? After that, you have to end your notice with your signature, the name and the designation. After getting all the required information, let us now begin to write a notice. The question is, suppose you are Raj, the hygiene counselor of PDAV Public School. Write a notice asking all monitors and prefects to assemble for a meeting to discuss the school sanitation and hygiene. The first step while writing a notice is to underline all the relevant information that is given in the question. As you can see over here, the information that we require is Raj, Hygiene Counselor, PDAV Public School. The notice is for all monitors and prefects. The topic is to assemble for a meeting, and the topic of the meeting is to discuss school sanitation and hygiene. Using this information, we can start our notice by writing the name of the school and the city, that is Police DAV Public School, Ludhiana, followed by the date on the left hand side, that is August 28, 2020, and then on the same line in the center, the word notice. After that, you can write the topic of the notice, that is meeting of all monitors and prefects. As per the previous slides, I am filling in all the information in the relevant blanks, and you get the lines. This is to inform all monitors and prefects that they have to assemble for a meeting to discuss school sanitation and hygiene on. This brings us to the second step, where we have to provide the extra information or the other required details. So the sentence will become, to discuss school sanitation and hygiene on August 29, 2020 in the school activity room from 7:30 am to 8 am. The other required details are attendance is mandatory. This is followed by the signature of the writer, his name and his designation. If you forget what is the order, then you can remember the acronym SND. S stands for signature, N stands for name and D stands for designation. Okay, now let us write another notice. Suppose you are Rashmi. As president of the Literary Club of Springdale Public School, Pune, you have organized an inter-school debate competition on the Silver Jubilee celebrations of your school. Write a notice informing the students of 8th to 12th of your school about the competition. As per the first step, we must now underline the relevant details, that is Rashmi, President of the Literary Club of Springdale Public School, Pune. Then the competition is inter-school debate competition. The occasion is Silver Jubilee celebrations of the school, and we have to inform the students of 8th to 12th. Thus your final product will appear as Springdale Public School, Pune, September 29, 2020, notice, inter-school debate competition. This is to inform the students of 8th to 12th that an inter-school debate competition has been organized by the Literary Club to mark the Silver Jubilee celebrations of the school. The competition will be held in the school auditorium on October 25th, 2020 from 9 am onwards. Participation certificates will be given to all participants. Interested students can register or submit their names to the undersigned by October 1st, 2020. You sign Rashmi and then you write the name Rashmi with her designation, that is President Literary Club Association. With this, we come to the end of our topic. I hope that you like the video and the video will greatly benefit you in writing the notice. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Reno's Englishpedia. Thank you.